Okay students, welcome back. Good afternoon everyone. So now we will discuss about the median of a triangle and altitude of a triangle. In the previous session we have discussed about the types of triangle on the basis of measurement of length and angles. Okay. So here we will discuss about the median of a triangle. So not only that, we discuss about how many medians a triangle have, how many altitude a triangle have, what is the difference between the altitude and the median. So this we will discuss. So first of all, understand the concept of median. Median means what? Suppose you have a line segment AB, and if you divide this line segment with the help of bisector process, we know that we can find the perpendicular of this AB and we can find the midpoint. Okay, D. So this AD and DB, the measure of these two sides line segments is equal. So what we can say, D is the midpoint of AB. So if you want to find the median of any triangle, so what we have to do, for which line segment, for which side you want to find the median, you have to divide that line segment into two equal parts and get the midpoint. Let's see how to do it. So suppose you have to take a paper. On that you have to draw the triangle ABC. I have already done the triangle ABC. Okay, I want to find the median, or I want to find the midpoint of this BC. So how will you find this? See, I have taken the full length from this end point to this end point. So how will you find the midpoint? Just fold this paper. Okay, fold this paper. After folding this paper, you will divide the whole paper into two parts. So whatever points now you are getting over here, this is the midpoint of line segment BC. If you want, you can name it as point D. Okay, I have named it as the point D. Okay, now what we have to do? Now I have the midpoint of BC. So what we can do? If you join this point with vertex A, if you join this point with vertex A, so we will get the line segment AD, and AD is nothing but AD is the median of the given triangle ABC. So let's join this point. Okay, so this way you will get the line segment AD, and AD is the median of the given triangle ABC, where we can say that BD is equal to DC, as D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so what is the median? Now you understood. Median means whose one point is the midpoint of the opposite sides, because if you consider the vertex A, opposite of vertex A we have line segment BC. If you consider this line segment AD, so whose one end point is the midpoint of the opposite side and one end point is the vertex of the opposite. Okay, so this way we can find the median of the given triangle. Now the question is, how many median does a triangle have? So same process we can follow for this. We can find the midpoint of AB. We can find the midpoint of AB, and that midpoint we can join with the vertex C. We will get one median, one more median. Same process we can do with the AC. We find the midpoint of AC and join that midpoint with vertex P. So we can say that a triangle has three medians. Let's see, we can do it right now. Okay, so with the help of scale we can find the midpoint of the given line segments. This is 12 centimeters, so 6 is the midpoint, and here it is 10 centimeter, so 5 is the midpoint. So what we can do now, we can just join this point with the vertex C. Okay, this way And same way we can join this vertex with the midpoint of AC. Okay, so this way we will have three medians of the given triangle. Okay, so this way we have three medians of the given triangle. Okay, so we have the line segment AD. If you name it here as a E, so EC, and if you name it as here as F, so BF. So total three medians we are getting for a particular one triangle. Okay, so now we move on to the next activity, that is what is the altitude. Okay, now we will see what is the altitude. Okay, so same way I have drawn the triangle on a blank paper and name it as PQR, and I want to find the altitude of the given triangle. Okay, so what I can do, I can take any vertex. Suppose I take vertex P and fold the paper along this vertex. Let's see. Okay, what I am doing over here, I am just drawing the perpendicular line which starts from P and intersect with on QR. So I will get one line segment. Okay, by folding it, I am just finding the perpendicular which makes the 90 degree over here. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just finding the height of triangle PQR. Okay, we know that this line segment is the highest line segment. Suppose if you PR, if you consider PQ, if you consider, okay, it will not give you the height of that particular triangle. So by finding the altitude, what we are actually doing? We are actually doing finding the height of the given triangle. So this P, if you join this line segment, if you join, suppose I write a point X and I join that point. So this I am getting the line segment PX. So this PX is nothing but it is the altitude of the given triangle. Altitude means what? It gives the height of the given triangle, and that length is known as the altitude. Okay. Now, how many altitudes the triangle have? Same process we can follow for the R. Suppose your triangle is now like this, and I want to find the height of this. What is the height of this? This height is nothing but its base. If you consider this triangle, so this is the height of the given triangle RPQ. So this is your height. Okay. Same way, if your triangle is like this, then how will you do? So from R, I just fold the triangle. Okay, like this. I am doing nothing but I am just, by folding it, I am finding the perpendicular of the opposite side. Okay. So again, if your triangle is like this, RPQ, so this gives you the altitude, means height of the triangle RPQ. Right? Suppose my triangle is like this, QRP. So then this line segment PQ itself gives me the height of the triangle. Okay, the line segment PQ itself gives me the height of this triangle. Which triangle? QRP. So this way we can find the three altitude of a given triangle. Okay, so this is all about the median and altitude. Okay, now if you fold it like this, in right angle triangle you are getting that kind of altitude. One side is your altitude, sorry for this. Here we are getting third altitude like this when you fold from the Q. Okay, so this way you will get the three altitude. Okay, one is this one, second one is from Q, this one, and from this one. So this way we can find 3 altitudes of a given triangle. Now the question is, what is the difference between the median and altitude? What is the difference between, this is your altitude and this is your median? If you observe here, everywhere for the opposite side of the vertex, it is a midpoint. Okay? If you join A with D, so D is the midpoint. If you join here, if you have E, so E is a midpoint. Here it is F, so F is a midpoint. But here, when you join the vertex with the opposite side point, whatever is the point, then it is not a midpoint. If you are joining this line, this is not a midpoint. Whatever point you are getting over here, it is not a midpoint. Whatever point you are getting over here, it is not a midpoint of the given line segment. This is also not a midpoint of the given line segment. So this is the difference between the median and the altitude. So this way we can find the median and the altitude of the given triangle. Thank you.